Hi, One Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to connect your Leviton smart light switches to Alexa. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your Alexa app. You need to have your Alexa device set up and installed in the Leviton smart switch, set up and installed and connected to the app. So now what we're going to do is go down to devices here at the bottom menu. We click on the devices tab and we're going to go over and click at the very top here in this plus symbol, and we're going to add a device. That opens up this menu and we click on the top option here. So once we've got this open, now we're going to go and we're going to scroll down until we find a switch, because we are adding a Leviton light switch to Alexa. So we open this up and you can see the different brands, and you just scroll down and we are looking for Leviton. That is the brand of the light switch that we are connecting to Alexa. So now it says download the Leviton app. We've already done that. We've already connected the Leviton light switch to the Leviton app, and we're just going to click continue here. Once we click continue, what we're going to do next is scroll through this, and you can see some of the different voice commands and some of the information related to the Leviton skill, which will connect it to Alexa. It's a good idea to read through these so you understand what voice commands to use with Alexa and your Leviton light switch. But in order to connect Leviton to Alexa, we're just going to click up here at the top, enable to use. Now it's going to enable the skill, and we need to log in with our Leviton information and connect it to Alexa. Now that we've entered our password, the Leviton account has been successfully linked to Alexa. What we need to do next is go ahead and click close here, and we're going to discover the devices. We click down here at the bottom and we're just going to discover our Leviton dimmer with Alexa, and it should show up here, so give it a little bit of a time. Once the 45 seconds is up and your Leviton light switch has been connected to Alexa, you can close out of the app and start using Alexa voice commands to control your Leviton smart light switch. So thank you for watching this video. Please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, and click on any of the links below if you want to support us or learn more about smart homes.